It is a case gaining national attention
and causing major backlash against the Humane Society of the Pikes Peak Region. This after a Colorado Springs dog owner says her dogs were unfairly seized because someone thought they saw her dogs kill their cat.
News 5's Maddie Garrett met with the owners today. She joins us now in studio. And Maddie, any resolution in the case?
Well, yes and no. The dog owner took a plea deal today to lesser charges of dog at large, meaning the dangerous dog charges were dropped. But the owner says she's now out more than $10,000, all for a claim she says is false. And in fact, there's little evidence to prove her dogs killed that cat back in January.
He loves them. They can now be out together in the grass and sunshine. I think they are extremely happy to be out here. She looks so pretty right now.
Jake and Lucy haven't been allowed outside without a muzzle for months.
So February 1st, the Humane Society came to my door. They said that our dogs were accused of killing a cat a few blocks away, and that they were going to have to take the dogs into custody.
Knowing her dogs were innocent, McAdam says she brought her dogs in herself in hopes of getting the matter cleared up.
Because I really thought that since we knew they didn't do it and we had witnesses and everything else, that we could just go down to the Humane Society and get them back.
Instead, the Humane Society said she had to go to a probable cause hearing and come up with $1,200 in the next 10 days or relinquish ownership of Jake and Lucy.
We did not have $1,200 sitting in our bank account to do that. We did have to sell our car.
The magistrate found probable cause to charge Caitlin with dangerous dog misdemeanors. Despite several witnesses, Caitlin says testified, saying the dogs were home the entire night of the incident.
They had one person of sane mind pointing the finger. She said that was enough probable cause for her. That this guy who doesn't know me or my dogs was telling the truth.
Attorney Juliette Piccone says she sees this all the time in El Paso County.
9 times out of 10, they're going to go and seize those dogs and impound them when they should only be doing that when they have some type of probable cause that that dog is a danger to the community.
After impound and boarding fees, court and attorney costs, Caitlin says she spent more than $10,000 to avoid risk of euthanasia.
There should never, ever be a reason that they would kill your dog over impound fees.
They get to lay in grass. They get to be free.
Freedom that came with a price.
It's a broken system. It needs to be fixed.
The Humane Society refused to do an on-camera interview today, but did send a statement saying the Humane Society was simply upholding the law and all costs are set by local ordinances and out of their control. And because the owner removed the dogs from the Humane Society shelter after 4 days, she ended up only paying HSPPR $250. But she did have to pay for boarding for several months during this case. Lisa?